So hi, Jin. Nice to meet you.
How are you?
Yeah. So thanks for you to having here, and thanks for you to attending this interview, and also thanks for you to attending this technology day. And it was great honor to have you here. So I would like to do some questions asked for you,
Sure.
and to know what's your feelings about our battery, and not what's your feelings about our brand. So the first question is that what do you think the reasons for customer for the end customer to choose the battery storage system?
Well, I've been very impressed with Dyness so far. We've been installing the DL5.0C and it's proven extremely reliable. We use a number of inverter brands, Sage, Sofar, and a few more, and it's great to be able to use Dyness with all of those brands. So far we haven't had any failures, and the installations are quite straightforward, and you have the Dyness software that's easy to monitor the batteries independent of the inverter.
So when do you use Dyness brand? How do you know that? And what is an advantage from us? What do you think determined to use Dyness batteries?
Well, so far don't have their own battery, and when we're already dealing with Falcha Solar, so they introduced me to the idea of using Dyness batteries. They're compatible with Sofar, they work perfectly with them. We also were using another brand of battery which gave trouble, and we made a decision to change that brand and use with Dyness only, because some of our sites are very far away, and you could lose a whole day going back there to replace batteries, as we have done, not with Dyness but with this previous brand. Well, every product I choose is based on a couple of values that I feel are very important. One is it has to be extremely reliable, high performing, and easy to install or easy to use for the customer. Dyness is very straightforward to install. We don't have any issues with it. I love the new Powerbox G2. It looks very straightforward. The fact it's 10 kilowatts and is smaller than the predecessor means that it's going to save us time, and it looks great. And it'll go into a utility, a garage, an attic, if you have a big entrance, but the price point is excellent as well. Batteries, we're only at the point in Ireland where people are starting to invest in batteries for a long time. It was only for the elite, so Dyness makes it affordable for the average household to actually have a battery. And with this new Powerbox G2 adding better value again, we won't be just selling 5 kilowatt units, we'll be selling the 10 kilowatt units as well.
Next question is about which of the three aspects for you to choose one of the battery. Firstly, it's the product advantages and technical part, and also for services, and also for brand awareness. So which will be more concerned about for you to choose?
The most important for me is certainly the technical aspects of the battery. It's great to have Falcha Solar for local support, but for me, I don't sell any products for my customers unless they are high performing, reliable, and easy to use. The Dyness is extremely reliable. To date, we've had no failures. The software is great. You can monitor the battery and see what's going on. Installation is straightforward. And technically speaking, the new Powerbox G2 is absolutely fantastic. With such a deep DOC, you can let the battery down to 10%, which is an advantage. And obviously the price point, 10 kilowatt batteries, is working out a lot cheaper than buying two 5 kilowatt batteries.
All right, thanks for you to attending this interview.